Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send Ethereum from Robinhood to your Coinbase wallet in 2025. Whether you're looking to consolidate your crypto or just explore more decentralized options, this step-by-step process will get you there safely and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Robinhood account with some Ethereum in it, and a Coinbase Wallet app installed on your phone. If you don't have Coinbase Wallet yet, download it and create a wallet. It's free and secure. Remember, always double-check your accounts to avoid any hiccups. Step 1. Open your Robinhood app and log in. Head over to the Crypto section, where you'll see your portfolio. Find your Ethereum holdings and tap on them. Look for the Transfer or Withdraw option. Robinhood might call it something similar, so keep an eye out. Next, select the amount of Ethereum you want to send. Be mindful of any withdrawal fees. In 2025, these could vary based on network congestion, so check the details before proceeding. Once you've entered the amount, you'll need to input the recipient's address. That's where Coinbase comes in. Now, switch to your Coinbase Wallet app. Go to the Receive section, select Ethereum, and copy the wallet address displayed on screen. This is crucial. Double-check that it's the correct address to prevent any loss of funds. Paste this address back into the Robinhood transfer page. After that, review all the details: the amount, the address, and any fees. Hit Confirm to initiate the transaction. You'll get a confirmation notification, and the Ethereum should arrive in your Coinbase wallet shortly. Depending on network speed, it might take a few minutes to an hour. A quick tip: in 2025, with evolving blockchain tech, always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms for added security. And if you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. There you have it. That's how you send Ethereum from Robinhood to Coinbase Wallet. It's simpler than it sounds once you get the hang of it. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto savvy.